Hi children, happy to see you all. This is Sandhya from Bharathidasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 4th standard maths 3rd lesson. So what is our 3rd lesson name? Very good. Our 3rd lesson name is multiplication. What is our 3rd lesson name? Our 3rd lesson name is multiplication. So I hope everyone knows what is multiplication. So what is multiplication? Multiplication means that is a repeated addition of the same number. Repeated addition of the same number. Repeated addition of the same number. Addition of the repeated addition of the same number. Same number. Today we are going to see part 5. Part 5. Okay. So today is our topic only statement problem. Okay children. The first question is, a matchbox contains 50 sticks. A matchbox contains 50 sticks. How many sticks are there in 25 such matchboxes? How many sticks are there in 25 such matchboxes? So one matchbox we have how many sticks? 50 sticks. They asked the question 25 matchboxes. So first step we are going to write the statements. Right. Listen. Solution. Solution. The first step is one matchbox equal to 50 sticks. How many sticks? 50 sticks. A matchbox contains 50 sticks. So write one matchbox equal to 50 sticks. One matchbox equal to 50 sticks. Now we are going to find the 25 matchboxes. How many matchboxes? 25 matchboxes. So take a 25 matchboxes equal to 25 matchboxes equal to, now take 50 and multiply by 25. 50 and multiply by 25. First we will write the place values, ones, tens. Here the ones place value is 0 and the 10th place value is 5 and multiply by 25. So listen my children, first take 5 and multiply by ones place and multiply by 10th place. Okay. So here our table is 5 table. So I hope everyone knows the 5 table. It is very easy table for you. Listen here. Take 5 and multiply by 0. Take 5 and multiply by 5. Okay. So what is the answer? 5 zeros are? Very good. 5 zeros are. The answer is 0. So write the answer 0. Next you will take 5 5s are. 5 5s are, the answer is 25. Okay. Next take the 10th place value. Here the 10th place value is 2. So put plus or 0 in ones place. Then you should start from 10th place onwards. 2 zeros are 0 and 2 5s are 10. Now we are going to add this. Now tell me Kiran, what is the answer? 0 plus 0? Very good. The answer is 0. Next take 5 in the mind, 0 in the finger. So what is the answer? The answer is 5. Next take 2 plus 0, 2 and finally 1. So listen my children, in one matchbox we have 50 sticks. How many sticks? 56. They ask the question, find the 25 matchboxes. Find the 25 matchboxes. So write the answer. 25 matchboxes equal to totally we have 1250 sticks. How many sticks? 1250 sticks. So listen children, 1 matchbox equal to 50 sticks and 25 matchboxes equal to 1256. Next we will see another example. So our second question is, in a minute there are 60 seconds. How many seconds? 60 seconds. How many seconds are there in 55 minutes? How many seconds are there in 55 minutes? I hope everyone knows what is 1 minute equal to. What is the answer? 1 minute equal to? Very good. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Here the question is, how many seconds are there in 55 minutes? So listen my children, the first step is 1 minute equal to. What is the first step? 1 minute equal to 1 minute equal to. So what is the answer? 1 minute equal to? 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 60 seconds. So write the answer 60 seconds. Now we are going to find the 55 minutes. Alright. 55 minutes equal to 55 minutes equal to, take a 60 and multiply by 55. Take 60 and multiply by 55. 60 multiply by 55. So as usual, the first step is place values. Write the place values. What is our first place value? Our first place value is ones and our second place value is tens. So write ones and tens. Here the ones place value is 0 and the tenth place value is 6 and multiply by 55. Okay. So take 5 and multiply by 0 and 5 and multiply by 6. Now tell me Nishant, what is the answer? 5 zeros are? Very good. 5 zeros are? The answer is 0. So write 5 zeros are 0. And what is 5 6 are? Yeah, very good. 5 6 are? The answer is 30. Next we will take the 10th place value. So here the 10th place value also 5 table. So you should start from 10th place onwards. So in this ones place itself put plus or 0. Take 5 and multiply by 0, 5 and multiply by 6. Now what is the answer? 5 zeros are? 5 zeros are 0. Then 5 6 are 30. So write 30. Now we are going to add this 0 plus 0 0 and 0 plus 0 0. Keep 3 in the mind, 0 in the finger. The answer is 3 and next one is 3. So listen the children. In a minute there are 60 seconds. So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds and the question is, find how many seconds are there in 55 minutes. So the final answer is 55 minutes equal to 55 minutes equal to, so எவ்வளோ seconds? 55 minutes equal to 3300 seconds. So write 3300 seconds. So 55 minutes equal to 3300 seconds. The next question is, there are 1125 mangoes on a tree. There are how many mangoes on a tree? 1125 mangoes on a tree. How many mangoes will there be on 54 such trees? 54 such trees. So one mango tree la we have 1125 mangoes. So write the statement, one mango tree equal to 1125 mangoes. And they ask the question, find 54 such trees. Find 54 such trees. So take 1125 is multiplied by 54. Okay. So write the answer. Solution. The first step is, there are 1125 mangoes on a tree. So one mango tree equal to we have 1125 mangoes. One mango tree equal to 1125 mangoes. So 1125 mangoes. Next listen children, we will find 54 such trees. But right, 54 mango trees equal to take 1125 is multiplied by 54. 1125 is multiplied by 54. So our first step is as usual the place values. Write the place values. The first place value is ones and the second place value is tens, hundreds and thousand. Here the ones place value is 5, 2, 1, 1 and multiply by 54. Multiply by 54. First take 4 and multiply by all the number. 4 taken, multiply by 5 ones and 2 tens and 100 and 1000. Okay. So listen. 4 5s are, 4 2s are, 4 1s are and 4 1s are. Now tell me Bhavana, what is the answer? 5 4s are or 4 5s are? Very good, yeah. The answer is 20, right? That is 5 times of 4 or 4 times of 5. So write the answer 20. Here we got 2-digit number, right? This is ones place value and this is 10th place value. So in this ones place value, you are going to write under the ones column. So write 0 and carry 2. Now take 4 2s are. So 4 2s are, what is the answer? 4 2s are 8. Keep 8 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So 8 after 9, 10. So here too we got 2-digit number 10. This is 10th place value and this is 100th place value. In this 10th place value, we are going to write under the 10th column and 1 we are going to write carry over to the 100th column. Take 4 1s are. So what is the answer? 4 1s are. 4 1s are 4. Keep 4 in the mind, 1 in the finger. The answer is 5. Next take 4 1s are. The next number is 5. So it is in the 10th place. You should start from 10th place onwards. So ones place itself put plus or 0. Take 5 5s are and 5 2s are and 5 1s are and 5 1s are. Okay. Now tell me Nishant, what is the answer? 5 5s are. 5 5s are 25. So here too we got 2-digit number. So listen my children, in this 5 you are going to write under the tens column. Okay. So in that too it will be in the carry place, keep there itself. Next take 5 2s are. So what is the answer? 5 2s are. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 the answer is 12. 10 plus 2 the answer is 12. So in this 2 you are going to write here and 1 it will be in the carry place, keep there itself. Next take 5 and multiply by 1. So what is the answer? 5 1s are. Very good, the answer is 5 and 5 plus 1 the answer is 6. Next take 5 1s are. 5 1s are 5. Now we are going to add this. While adding the number, first we should start ones place and 10th place, 100th place. Here the ones place value is 0 and 0. So keep 0 in the mind, 0 in the finger. So the answer is 0. Again 0 plus 5. So listen my children, 0 oda enna number add pannalum we are getting the answer is same number. Here the question is 0 plus 5. So the answer is 5. Take a 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So 5 after 6, 7. Write the answer 7. Next keep 4 in the mind, 6 in the finger. So 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 0, carry 1. So 5 plus 1, the answer is 6. The final answer is 60,750. So write the answer 54 mango trees equal to 60,750 mangoes. 60,750 mangoes. Listen children, today's last question is, a factory makes 258 toys in a day. So one day a factory makes 258 toys. and they ask the question how many toys they can be made in 365 days. So 365 days means that is 1 year. 1 year க்கு எவ்வளோ டாய்ஸ்னு கேட்குறாங்க சரியா. So listen here, solution. So 1 day equal to how many toys? 1 day equal to they makes 258 toys. How many toys? 258 toys. So write 1 day equal to 258 toys. Okay, the next one is the question how many toys can be made in 365 days. Take a 365 days equal to 365 days equal to 258 is multiplied by 365. 258 is multiplied by 365. Okay, so now the first step is place values. Write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds. The first number is 8 and the second number is 5 and the third number is 2 and multiply by 365. 365. Take 5 and multiply by all the number. Take 5 and multiply by 8. 5 multiply by 5. 5 multiply by 2. So what is the answer? 5 8s are. 5 8s are. The answer is 40. 0 carry 4. Next take 5 5s are. So 5 5s are 25. Keep 25 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 25 after, 26, 27, 28, 29. So the answer is 29. 9 carry 2. Next take 5 2s are. So 5 2s are 10. Keep 10 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 10 after, 11, 12. So write the answer 12. Next we have the number 6, that is in 10th place. Okay, so you should start from 10th place onwards. In that ones place itself put plus or 0. Take 6 and multiply by 8, 6 and multiply by 5 and 6 and multiply by 2. So what is the answer? Now tell me Lishant, what is the answer? 6 8s are. 6 8s are. The answer is 48. Very good. What is the answer? The answer is 48. So in this 8 you are going to write under the tens column and 4 keep it in the carry place. Next take 6 and multiply by 5. 6 5s are 30. Keep 30 in the mind, 4 in the finger. So the answer is 34. What is the answer? 34. So in this 4 you are going to write here and then that 3 keep in the carry place. Next take 6 and multiply by 2. So what is the answer? 6 2s are, that is 6 times of 2 are 2 times of 6. So the answer is 12. Keep 12 in the mind, 3 in the finger, 12 after, 13, 14, 15. What is the answer? 15. So finally we don't have any number, so simply you should write 15. Next take the 100th place value. Here the 100th place value table is 3. Okay, so start from 100th place onwards. In this one's place and then 10th place itself put plus or 0. Now take 3 and multiply by 8. So what is the answer? 3 8s are. 3 8s are 24 4 carry 2. Next take 3 5s are. 3 5s are 15. 15 in the mind, 2 in the finger. The answer is 17. 7 carry 1. Okay. Next take 3 2s are. 3 2s are. The answer is 6. Keep 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. The final answer is 7. Now we are going to add this. Take the ones place, 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place, next 10,000 place. Here the ones place value is 0. So write 0. The 10th place value is 9 tens and 8 tens. Okay. Keep 9 in the mind, 8 in the finger, 9 after, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 plus 0. The answer is 17. 7 carry 1. Next take 3. 3 plus 4, the answer is 7. 7 in the mind, again 4 in the finger, 7 after, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 carry 1. Next take 2 plus 5, 7. 7 in the mind, 7 in the finger, 7 after, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here you got 14, 4, carry 1. Take 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So the final answer is 94,170. So one day equal to 258 toys. Appo 365 days equal to, answer 365 days equal to, remain 94,170 toys. 94,170 toys. Listen children, in this section you all learn multiplication related statement problem alone, right? In this below description we have what is study material, question bank and then assessment work. So my dear students, do the assessment work and do all the sums. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you children, we will see you in next class.